In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a bread text effect. That's to say, a text with the bread as the texture of the text. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on apps and I'll search for text art. Text art. And it's going to show me some results. This is what I want, text art. I'm going to click on open. Now, it gives me by default halo. I want to change it to bread just for demonstration. And I want to see description bread. I'll see bread, crunchy, or let's just see crunchy bread, crunchy brownish bread. Text should be bold and thick. And then I'll click on generate. It's going to take a little bit of time to generate. Now you can see it gives me this bread textured text. So if I expand it, you can see it's actually bread. This is actually bread. I can change the background of this design to make it a little bit more friendly. And if I had Canva Pro, which I don't for now, I could make this particular background to be transparent, but I could just remove a lot of this spacing behind here. And there you have it. This is your bread textured text. Now, mind you, you can use this for anything. You can use fruit, you can use soil, you can use leaves, you can do anything using this textured text. So that is how to create textured text, especially with focus on bread using Canva free version. If you found any value out of this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click like on this video and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.